Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to add your business to Maps. If you want to list your business on the Google Maps so your clients can reach to your business place, then I'll show you how it could be possible. First, you have to make sure you have the Google Maps, so simply open it up. Once the map gets open, then you just have to simply go to that place where you want your business to be and then just simply hold your finger onto the map, then these options will come up, or you can also swipe them up. Then you will see this second last option, add maps for free. Click onto it and then you have to create your business profile. First, you have to write your business name. In my case, I'm going with a cafe name, but you can add any name of your choice, and in the category you can choose the category of your business. In my case, it is cafeteria as I have discussed before, but you have to add the one that you would like to. And once you're done, click on next. Then if you have a store or a physical location, then click on to yes and click on next. Then it will show you these options. Here you have to add your business address, like you have to write it. Once you're done, click on next. And if you provide deliveries, then click on yes. This option depends on the type of your business. In my case, it is cafeteria, therefore I'm going with yes, but you can choose option of your choice. Then you have to add this option, which is which areas you work in. Like if you work in specific areas, then simply add those area, otherwise you can skip it. Then it will ask you to add your phone number and your website. If you have a website, then add it, otherwise you can literally skip this option. Then it will just take a while in verifying your business, and what is done, then it will take you to this next step. Then you have to add your business hours, like on which days you work and what hours. So you can click onto that option and you can select 24 hours, or if you have specific hour time, then you can choose them. After that, it will show you some of these options. You can select yes or no based on your preferences. You may get different options than me based on which type or category you have selected for your business. I have a food business, therefore I'm getting these options which are related to food or restaurant. You may get the different options, and once you're done, click on next. Now you have to add the description. If you already have it, you can just simply do a copy paste, otherwise you can write it here. After that, you have to add your menu picture. You may not get this option based on what type of business you have selected. I have a restaurant or cafe, therefore it shows me the option for menu, and as well as for the dishes. You may get different options. And once you're done, you have to simply click on to this option, start a trial, or you can skip it. Then you have to click on continue. And now your business will be listed on Google Maps. You can review it. So that's how you can add your business on Maps. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.